some beads here.
So,
And get some
There's
more.
all those beads.
the beads. Oh, I got this whale.
I'm gonna get this whale.
I'm gonna get this
I
tree.
got a whale. I got a purple whale.
Now let's see what else.
I'm gonna get another teddy bear.
I'm gonna get
Another teddy bear.
these.
Oh, teddy bear.
Like a little turtle. You got pearls,
Well,
fish.
I want all sea creatures.
Me too. I want.
All sea creatures. So I'm gonna put this one back.
Okay, well. Ooh, clamshells. Ooh, another clamshell.
I'm just gonna keep the
Oh
heart.
yeah, clamshells.
You guys only have to fill up the plate. Once you
Got
fill up the plate, you can put your glues in.
Got it. Oh my God!
I'm trying to choose another
Susie,
sea animal.
Let me get a heart.
Well, actually, I'm gonna choose 2 cats. So where's my blue cat that I put back? Oh, I still have my blue. And I have it's an underwater cat.
I have a cat too, Susie. Look.
Oh my gosh.
It's a green cat. Cool.
I'm gonna get another one.
Ooh, I got this and this.
Whoa, you scared me right there.
Oh my God, I'm a little tiny.
I'm gonna choose
Tiny little
another fish. Because I like the fishes a lot.
Oh, I filled
there.
mine up.
I like sea animals so much. I don't know why.
Me too. I like
Because
it.
one of them,
I
because
just wanna
2 animals are so dangerous. Jellyfish and the sucking black things.
They just.
Wait, which ones?
Those stinky jellyfish.
Oh, yes. I thought you were going to say sharks. Sharks are more dangerous than jellyfish.
What?
Yes.
I thought you
Even
said...
stingray, I'm saying they're more dangerous. That doesn't mean it's going to eat you all the time.
Yeah, sometimes they eat by mistake. Sometimes even a person could have a pet shark.
Yeah.
Which is crazy.
What do I do here?
Because it's...
Do I just dig in? Do I just dig in? I'm
Yeah, you
digging
can mix
in.
it around, see what else is under there.
There we go.
I'm
Dig,
trying to get another...
dig, dig,
Oh,
dig,
these are one
dig.
of the shells that you hear into them, and there's the ocean. I love these. I've never seen one before, but I want to.
Ooh, clear.
It's funny you
This
say that.
is a water flower.
Ooh, I got
Here,
a
look.
dolphin.
This is one that I have. Listen to it.
Oh,
What?
let me listen.
Oh, I thought there was teeth on it. I was like, ah! I was going to.
If you listen really
sing.
closely, you can hear the ocean.
I can hear it. Here, Susie.
I don't hear anything.
Listen
I
very
hear-
carefully. It sounds like waves. It's like, hello? Is anyone there?
I hear nothing because it's night. The waves are not like moving that much. I
Oh,
could
I
only
can
hear.
hear the
I
waves.
could only hear the wind.
I can hear the waves in the wind in the mermaid.
Mermaids do.
Here, you can play with it later.
I like it.
I'm trying to dig in. Do some more animals.
Susie, can I just first dig in?
Fish.
Hey, that was mine. We keep stealing each other's. Ooh, this. With this.
Susie's plate is almost full. Let me see if Arya's plate is full. Just a few more, okay, Arya? So that way it'll be good enough for the slime. You don't want to put too much.
A turtle.
And I already got a turtle.
This turtle is holding a diamond.
This turtle. Excuse me, let me dig in first, okay? Let me dig in first.
I'm only gonna get one more.
And I'm only gonna get 3 more.
Another turtle. That's it.
Now I
Alright, Susie, because I'm putting your slime in.
I'm just gonna dump this in after.
take my slime ball.
First, I'm gonna start with the white. Oh,
Oh, I can't see your cup, Susie. Susie.
Hey, it's just pouring itself. Look.
Here you go.
Are you okay, Papa?
Mommy, it's pouring itself.
Very good. You can help it. Yeah, there you go.
That's it. I'm gonna save some for next time.
Okay. like a
Why is it
very light green.
All done.
the way?
Cap. Not the right
Go.
cap.
The
Put
way
that one and I'll help you with this one.
I'm
That
putting
one's done.
the cap.
There's nothing? Oh, there's a little bit.
So guys, I'm going to use this one now.
Ooh, pretty ready.
That's it. Tell me when to stop.
Just gotta fill it right up to the line. Let me see. I think.
Yeah, it's up to the line. Yeah, it's definitely up to the line.
Alright.
Put the
So
top
now
on.
you could dump in your
Beads.
beads.
Oh my god. All the white glue splash. Tiny bit.
I'm gonna dump it all of them.
I do not like when glue splashes because it could
I
get in
think
your
you
hair.
may
Oh
have dropped one. Check on the floor.
no.
Go ahead, Susie. Put yours in.
Just gonna rub it on there.
And I'll get you your spoons, and then we're gonna make activator.
Mommy, I didn't drop any.
Okay, good. And today we're making activator with eyedrops and baking soda.
Yeah, baking soda too. Because you always make baking soda.
Well done.
Wait, can I get this?
You saw the same thing in the
Oh, you're
last
gonna put in some.
video.
Oh, I forgot she's gonna put in some coloring. Let's
Yeah.
see your colors
To
out.
make
Come on, open it.
Look at mine.
You might need to squeeze it. Let me see if I can help you, babe.
Don't worry.
All right, Aria, we got it open. So go ahead and put in your.
Stuck. Oh
coloring.
no.
Put it like 2 times first and make sure it's pink. 1 and 2. And then we'll mix it. And then if it's
Show
pink.
me put 1 drop.
Oh, we gotta put your activator first so you can mix it in. All right, so let's see how this is gonna be. And put some eye
Hers
drops.
by mistake sinked in.
It's all right. It's fine. Go ahead. Actually, mix it. Mix it a little bit.
Me too?
I don't
you
want
have-
to do that.
Okay, let me see. We're gonna try to put in some baking soda. Ready?
Baking soda.
All right. There's some eye drops. Whoa, it's like bubbling.
I feel like it's gonna turn out like the volcano.
We can't put too much baking soda because then it'll damage it. Okay.
Yeah, damage the activator.
I hope this is a good amount. We never measured it. We have to measure it so we can do it good. Okay, let me see. All right, I'm gonna
Should
put
I
in.
mix now?
Yeah, you can mix it, babe.
I want that.
All right, hold on. I want to mix it good before I put it in.
It's good, Mommy.
All right, I hope it is. Let's see. Come here, baby.
No.
Bring your cup closer.
The same thing with me.
1. And I'm gonna put another one for you, Aria.
Oh, she has a big one.
All right, try to mix it and tell me if it starts to get slimy.
Ooh, mine is starting to get.
Ooh, whitish.
Mommy, mine is still white, turning white.
Oh no, we put orange by mistake instead of pink, instead of red.
What?
It's
That's
okay.
orange? Oh my god! Logan, you scared me! Logan, you scared me!
Logan, what are you doing
Your
there?
sister to death. You scared me to death.
Logan.
Oh,
Mommy,
Hi, baby. Go ahead, see if it turns to slime.
Glued on my leg.
You scared me. It's okay, Mommy, because I kind of like orange. Ooh.
Mommy, mine is...
What happened to Arya? She's
I touched it
glitching.
with that.
She's glitching.
It's like the movie when Gwen glitched.
Do you need more activator or is it good still?
Mommy, I need some more activator.
Okay, hold on.
There we go.
So we came back, we put our activators in and made some slime. We had a little bit of trouble mixing the slime, so we had to pause because we put the beads in. So I suggest try to put the beads in after you make the slime because it was so hard to mix it.
Yeah.
But since you guys missed it, I am going to make my own slime so you can see how the activator works.
Hers is gonna turn lime green.
You
It
put
might.
some of Susie's slime in there. Look, Susie's slime in there.
So it's
glue.
clear, it's glittery green, it's
Glow in
bright.
the dark green.
Yeah, and it's bright yellow and blue. And then we made Activator with the eye drops
Okay, what's other?
and some baking soda, which we have in here. It's already made that before.
Okay, so here's
I got so much shell.
Let's see how I could do this.
You see how much
Susie,
beads
Arya,
I got?
I need your help. Arya, you're gonna put the beads in for me. But Susie, can you mix it for me?
Yeah.
Not yet, baby.
Not
After
yet.
we make the slime, because
I'll
it's
put
so
the
hard
beads
to
in-
mix it.
yeah.
Go ahead, Susie, mix it in.
I'll mix it for you, Mommy.
Thank you.
Because I love you.
Thank you. I love you too. Let me know if it's
Oh, it's
activating.
turning lime green.
I made a shape. Like a flat
Is it
shape.
activating?
It's still kind of like
Mommy,
blue.
what things I do not like? Let's see what things I like.
Oh, it's activating.
Mommy, I'm gonna give you a heart.
It's stretchy. Look, Mommy.
You picked this red one for me and I love it.
What is this? Mommy, I'm gonna give you
You should give her a green thing.
let's see what
Because she got the green slime.
a green thing. What green thing?
Make sure it's clear. And you have to find that thing.
Do not
Do
let
you need more activator?
Yeah, it's still goopy.
Okay.
Mommy, look! I had a little tiny blue.
Let me see. I'll pour some in. Ready? Let me mix it first.
Well, that's what I have. What is this?
Careful, do not splash.
All right, mix it, mix it.
Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix.
There it goes.
Susie.
I mix all
I have one too.
around.
Susie, look, I have one too.
Cool.
What did I have? What did it activate? Ooh, I got.
I already got 2 dogs. A purple dog and a
It's
yellow
so
dog.
bright and sparkly.
Well, Mommy, I think you should kneading it with your hands now.
All right. Let's see.
But Mommy, you forgot to put the beads.
It's gonna stick all over
We're gonna put
Mommy,
the
just
beads
like
right
our
after.
slime. It's gonna stick
Oh
all
my
over
gosh.
our Mommy, just
Hold the
like
cup
our
for me,
slime.
Susie.
That happened to our slime, yeah.
Ew.
Yucky. It looks like pickle juice.
Ew, Susie.
What? It's a pickle juice.
I'm trying to grab all the glue. There's some glue in the corner.
I need some.
Yeah, thank you. Hold it right there for me.
But after my beads back in.
Just dump it out.
And trying to grab all the glue first.
Now put them together.
Oh my god.
It looks like boogie.
Boogers.
Monster goop.
It's starting to get more slimy. Go ahead, hold it like that.
I'm gonna get my girl.
Oh,
My girl is
some of your, one
Now
of your
fly.
thing. I think
Fly.
one of your pearls fell on the floor.
So you see, guys, I really do like how this activator worked out. Better than the last one we made, which was a dish detergent. And
Oh no! It fell on my fingers.
it's okay. Hold it. This one's so much better than the other one. The other one does work also, but you have to use a lot more.
Yeah. Ooh, like monster boogies.
But I think we are going to be done with this video. Ari's going to put some beads
We're
in my
gonna make
slime.
a Barbie video now. With our slime.
How can I put it in now?
Go ahead, put it in. So I can mix it all up.
Yeah. Oh no! Don't forget the
heart,
little heart.
Hide in my
Oh, that's really cool.
Whoa!
heart.
The heart is stuck on the corner.
I'll grab it, don't worry.
There's so much dripping
Can I
onto
grab
me.
it? Can I grab it?
I got it, like, ready?
Look, she got it.
It's in there somewhere.
It's still on the bottom.
Yeah, once I knead it
Oh, she grabbed it.
with
She
my
grabbed
hand,
it. Right there.
it'll be more firm.
Alright.
You have a black dolphin.
Alright, guys, so we're going to pause this video. We're actually going to end this video.
And we're gonna make
And the girls are going to play.
with the Barbies. We're gonna make a video about the Barbies.
Alright, so say bye.
Bye. I'm gonna grab some.
Alright, so here are our finished slimes.
And there's so much stuff in it. Yes, and I'm kneading mine up with
And
Susie
guys-
doing it.
If you put your hand through, magic appears. Seven,
It
It fell.
munch.
Looks like spider web. Oh, Aria, mix yours in.
Mix mine in. No, I mix
I like how this one looks.
Oh, guys, look. I got a bunch of these.
Oh, guys, look, I got a bunch of these.
And I got a bunch of fish, too. Oh, my gosh.
Let me see.
You took my greens?
No, I didn't.
Oh, I only had 3 greens. No, I had, no, 3.
She had 4.
4 greens. Where's my other?
Alright guys, so this is the end of this slime video.
And
Please make sure to give us a like.
Bye.
Bye. Now